Greetings, blessings, beautiful souls. Thank you for tuning in and keeping it real with LaShawn Jones. The Lord gave me a vision of a yellow butterfly. Yellow symbolizes new beginnings, happiness, sunshine, hope. But off from the yellow butterfly, the Lord showed me a granite albino Burmese python snake. It was yellow and white from a distance. It was in a coil state as if it was waiting on its prey. So I am just forewarning some of you in your new beginning season. This is a new beginning season for many of you that are called according to God's purpose in this hour. I just want to give you this warning because the enemy is sitting there as that python snake. And you know, a python spirit is something that comes to choke out the voice of God concerning God's people, to choke out anything that you're doing for the Lord. It could be a power, a principality, a ruler in high places. It could be all of that and more. So just be careful of your surroundings. Be careful where you are led to go. Be careful who you are attached to, because the enemy, he is seeking whom he may devour. And I pray it's not you. Until next time, you guys have a blessed day. Be aware of your surroundings. That snake was yellow and white. It was in a coil state. It didn't strike anything, but it was sitting there waiting. So be careful. Until next time, be blessed. Bye.